Hi guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we're out at the beautiful Brickyard Golf Club getting a garage re-roof. Somebody else did the house about 12 years ago with some Tamcos, so we're having to match back to that. Not our favorite shingle, but it is what it is. A 15 square roof. Big need of a fresh roof on it. Got a garden growing over here. We're going to get this stripped off, use our CertainTeed roof runner underlayment, put a shingle over vent on it, match these Tamcos back to the house, and try to be out of here early afternoon. It is Friday. I'll keep you posted with the finished video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And if we can help you out with your roofing projects, whatever they may be, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.